Oh, ¿vieron algo con una?
No, hay dos personas, pero no sé.
No, it's. 459, let me get back for a man armed with a rifle. Get a shot, get it.
Shots fired. A man with a rifle and you come in on Hollenbeck frequency.
¿Vieron a alguien con una pistola? No, 459, let me get a backup for a man armed with a rifle. We're gonna. Oh, shots fired, officer needs help. Hey, back up, Jordy.
Shots fired. A male armed with a rifle and you come in on Hollenbeck frequency.
Okay, what you guys got?
So we were walking this way, and then we were approached by three females. So they're like, hey, we were just peeing. I was like, hey, did you guys see anybody with a rifle? No. And as soon as we hit the cut, we see a male figure, and we see him holding something. I think my partner saw it, and then as soon as we say like, hey, let me see your hands, boom, he shoots at us.
Okay, hey, start getting contact teams, okay?
Upon arrival, SWAT personnel conducted an extensive search of the area for the suspect. However, they were unable to locate him. That suspect has not been identified. One officer sustained minor abrasions to his hand and knee when he fell to the ground. No other officers or community members were injured as a result of this incident. Investigators recovered rifle ammunition and several spent rifle casings at scene and booked them as evidence.